Routing and compliance depend on accurate data, but maintaining these tables manually is an enormous operational burden that drains your resources and leads to errors. ConnexCS Reference Datasets provide built-in, regularly updated data for accurate routing and fraud protection without the cost or complexity of external data feeds. Managing separate LRN and DNC feeds increases costs and risks. ConnexCS centralizes daily updates to reduce sync errors and operational overhead. These datasets integrate directly with the routing engine, enabling advanced routing while ConnexCS handles all lookups automatically in the background. The NPA-NXX dataset maps U.S. area codes to routing information, automatically classifying interstate and intrastate traffic for accurate billing and routing. ConnexCS provides a daily updated in-house LRN database with free, unlimited USA lookups, reducing costs while ensuring accurate carrier routing. The FTC Do Not Call registry is integrated directly into routing, automatically blocking outbound calls to registered numbers for stronger compliance protection. For UK operations, the built-in telephone preference service register automatically filters restricted numbers to help maintain PECR compliance. Numbers are classified as mobile, fixed, or VoIP, allowing you to block specific line types and detect suspicious traffic patterns proactively. Security datasets like DNO lists and ASR+ help block spoofed and failed numbers, improving call completion rates and protecting carrier reputation. Advanced add-ons like TCPA litigator lists and Spam Scout provide reputation-based protection by automatically blocking high-risk and suspicious calls. Datasets update regularly, but brief delays may occur. Automated screening should be paired with professional legal guidance for a complete compliance assurance. ConnexCS eliminates operational overhead with accurate LRN, DNC, and classification data, fully managed and maintenance-free. Explore how ConnexCS reference datasets power your routing and compliance today. Accurate data, built-in, and always current.